Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to introduce to you guys a coffee body scrub that my friend Jennifer Ventura did for me a while back, but she actually did it for my body. It's a body scrub, but I decided to use it as a face scrub because it makes my skin feel more soft and smooth, and it feels like all your dead skin from your face comes off when you rinse your face out. So I wanted to use it in today's video just to show you guys how good it feels. So if you're ready to get messy, then keep on watching. First, we're gonna take some with a spoon. And then we're gonna put it in our hands so we can put it in our face. So as you put it on your face, start scrubbing it, because as you see, it starts falling off and you don't want just to waste all the coffee. You want to make good use of it. So start scrubbing in your face. Okay, I thought I was gonna need a mirror, but I could see myself in the camera, so I don't need you no more. Thank you for coming though. You ain't getting paid though. So you put it on your face. So I forgot to mention the ingredients of this coffee scrub. Obviously it has coffee and it has coconut oil on it. So those are the two main ingredients in this scrub. The coffee helps exfoliate the skin as you are scrubbing it all over your face. It's gonna get rid of all the dead skin, the oil, and it's gonna help your skin get softer. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure on your face, just do it gently and try to do it in circular motion. If you have a sensitive skin, your skin may get red like mine is getting, but don't worry, no need to get worried. If you are a coffee lover, then you may get a heart attack, because instead of us boiling this coffee, we are just putting it in our face. As you are scrubbing your face, you kind of start feeling your skin more clean. Like you get a sense of a fresh skin, like a newer skin. Shit. Me trying to be sexy, look what happens. Okay, so once you're done scrubbing your face, it's time to rinse it off. So give me 2 seconds and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back from washing my face. I almost died though, because coffee went inside my eyes, so I was taking it out, and girl, it was just a whole sacrification in there, but I got it out. And I feel like I came out of a coffee machine because I smell like coffee. Okay, so I love using this coffee scrub because, girl, it makes my skin feel so good. Like if you come through the camera and touch my face, it feels like a baby. Like it feels like you are like in the clouds. It feels so soft, girl. Like, oh my gosh, I wish you could feel my face because it feels so good. That's why I love using this scrub. So you should try it. I want to give a shout out to my friend Jennifer Ventura. She has a YouTube channel as well where she does a lot of DIYs. So I urge you guys to go and check her out because she does amazing DIYs. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick demonstration of my coffee scrub. Leave down in the comment section any comments, any thoughts, or anything that you guys want me to try. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click that subscribe button and join our family. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.